Most people think staying strong after 50 means long workouts, heavy weights, and endless cardio sessions. But what if I told you that's not true at all? You don't need a gym, you don't need expensive gear, and you definitely don't need an hour a day. All you really need are 3 simple exercises that keep your body strong, flexible, and pain-free, even as you age. And if you stay till the end, I'll share a quick way to combine these 3 moves into a short 15-minute routine that works for real people like you. Trust me, the ending will surprise you. Don't miss it. Why most people over 50 struggle with fitness? As we age, many people believe stiffness, sore joints, or weak legs are just part of getting older. We start avoiding stairs, taking shortcuts, and accepting that mornings will feel stiff forever. But here's the truth. Those aren't signs of aging. They're signs of underuse. When you stop challenging your muscles, they start shrinking. It's called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, and it's completely reversible. Your body can rebuild strength at any age if you train it the right way. And that's exactly what these 3 proven exercises are designed to do. Let's start with the foundation, the movement that literally keeps you on your feet. Exercise number 1, the squat, your everyday power move. Think about how often you sit down and stand up during the day. That's a squat. It's one of the most natural, functional movements your body performs. But as we lose muscle strength, we start to cheat the motion, using our hands, momentum, or leaning forward. That weakens the muscles that keep us independent, your thighs, hamstrings, and glutes. The fix? Start with chair squats. Sit on the edge of a sturdy chair, feet hip-width apart. Lean forward slightly, drive through your heels, and stand up without using your hands. Slowly lower yourself back down. That slow lowering is where the magic happens. It builds strength and control. Aim for 10 reps, 2-3 times a day. Once you can do 15 comfortably, move to bodyweight squats, no chair. And when those feel easy, hold a small weight, like a water bottle or dumbbell, at your chest. That's a goblet squat. This one move strengthens your biggest muscles, supports your hips and spine, and helps prevent falls. It's your foundation. Exercise 2, the push-up, upper body strength and posture. Fix now. Let's talk about upper body strength, because it's what helps you lift groceries, push open doors, and even get up from the floor safely. And the best exercise for that? The push-up. Don't worry, you don't have to start on the floor. The push-up is one of the most flexible exercises out there. Start with wall push-ups. Stand arm's length from a wall, hands flat at shoulder height. Lower your chest toward the wall, then push back. When that feels easy, move to incline push-ups, using a table or counter. The lower the surface, the harder it gets. Eventually, try knee push-ups on the floor. That's where you'll feel real strength gains. Push-ups don't just work your arms and chest, they train your shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. Plus, they fix rounded shoulders and improve posture, which helps with neck and back pain. Remember, perfect form beats high reps every time. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Active Seniors Fitness for more simple, science-backed tips to help you stay strong and independent at any age. Exercise 3, the plank, core stability and pain prevention. Now for the exercise that ties everything together, the plank. This one doesn't look flashy, but it's incredibly powerful. It strengthens your core, which includes your abs, back, and the muscles that stabilize your entire body. A strong core protects your spine, improves your balance, and makes every movement, from walking to bending, easier and safer. Start with a wall plank. Stand an arm's length from a wall, forearms pressed against it, and hold your body straight. Start with 15 seconds. Once you can hold that for 45 to 60 seconds, move to an incline plank. Hands or forearms on a sturdy surface like a bench or table. The last step is the knee plank on the floor. Forearms down, knees on the ground, body straight from head to knees. Hold it for 30-45 seconds with good form. That's a huge win. And if you ever reach the full plank, on toes, great, but it's not required. A perfect knee plank does the job beautifully. Putting it all together, your 15-minute routine. Here's how you can turn these 3 moves into one powerful routine. Do this 3 times per week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. 1 squats, 8 to 12 reps, 2 push-ups, 5 to 10 reps, 3 planks. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Repeat each exercise twice. That's it, done in about 15 minutes. The secret to long-term results. The key isn't perfection, it's consistency. Do a little every day, listen to your body, and trust the process. When an exercise feels easy, that's your signal to move to the next level. You don't need fancy gyms or complicated programs. You just need these 3 movements and a decision to start. Because every rep you do today is an investment in your independence tomorrow. Remember, Your body can rebuild strength at any age. You just have to give it the chance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Active Seniors Fitness. And hit the bell so you never miss a new upload. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving, because every step you take brings you closer to the life you deserve. And don't go yet. The final part of this series, 5 simple stretches to stay pain-free after 50, is coming next week. You'll love it.